Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to request a stop payment with US Bank. The first thing I want you to do is launch up the US Bank app, and what I need you to do now is go ahead and select the account where you want to do this. So select this one and then it'll come here under this checking account. We'll click here on the account tab, and what I want you to do now is scroll down until you see services. And then here under the services section, you'll actually see stop payments. I want you to click on this. And then what I want you to do is scroll all the way down. It'll ask you, how do you make this payment? And you just click here on continue. Just say, I've used my card or account number. Just give your reasons. And then you scroll down and then you just answer these questions. Click here on continue. Then what I want you to do here is click on continue again after you've identified the payment amount to stop. So that was $35. As you can see, that is the fee and this is the amount to stop. So toggle this one on, say that you understand, and then click here on submit to complete your request. Really that easy, and that is how to request a stop payment with the US Bank. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.